So here's an overview of the second phase. And the second phase is what we call the keys to entry. So infiltration. You've got to infiltrate your client, your customer, and get to the profit center manager. So first things we've got to look at is we need to understand what is our profit promise. And we're going to go through exercises to really work out what is your promise. If you haven't worked it out already, then we're really going to get clear on what that promise really is. And the promise is a function of what you'll deliver within what space of time and without what issues. The next thing we're going to look at is what is your valid access angle? In other words, why should they give you an audience? Why should they listen to you? What have you got that's so special that they're going to give you the time and space to listen to what you have to say? And here we're going to look at things like your model and things like qualifiers and performance proof. So those things that ensure that you've got proof that you can deliver what you say you can deliver. And then finally, the final piece of this puzzle is we're going to look at what we call the entry vehicle. So this is the how we gain access to. And here we're going to look at what we call the 5 Ps and how we can use these Ps as entry points. We're going to look at measurement tools, because if we can start to measure where they're currently at, what they're currently delivering, and what we can deliver, and we can show them actual measurements, that's a clear way through. And then lastly, we want to look at allies. We want to look at can we find an ally either within the organization or without the organization that can help us with an entree to the profit center manager. So that's stage 2, which is all about infiltration.